So you're a teen and you want to make money fast. Within the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that, so lock in. First up, flipping. This is one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money with little to no investment. The idea is simple. Buy low, sell high. Look for stuff that's cheap but available. Sneakers, vintage clothes, electronics, collectibles. Hit up thrift stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, or eBay. Find items that are undervalued, clean them up, take better pictures, and list them for a higher price. Let's say you find a pair of Jordans for $40. Clean them up, sell them for $100. That's a $60 profit for just one flip. Do this a few times a week, and you'll have cash rolling in. Another way to flip is with digital products. Let's say you're decent at design. You can create phone wallpapers, templates, or even logos, and sell them on Etsy or Fiverr. Once you make the design, you can sell it over and over again without doing any extra work. Passive income. Next, freelancing. If you have a skill, you can get paid, period. If you're good at editing videos, making thumbnails, coding, writing, or even social media management, there are people who need your help. Sign up on Fiverr, Upwork, or even DM small businesses on Instagram. Offer your services. If you don't have experience, start by doing free work for people to build a portfolio. Once you get a few happy clients, you can start charging more. A simple YouTube thumbnail, that can make you $5 to $20 per design. Edit TikToks or YouTube Shorts, that's $20 to $50 per video. Now, if you like being outside and don't mind putting in some work, you can make money locally. Mowing lawns, shoveling snow, washing cars, or even running errands for busy people can stack up cash fast. Print out some flyers, post on neighborhood apps, or even knock on doors. Offer your service, set a fair price, and get paid the same day. Some teens make $100+ in a weekend just by cutting grass. If you're more into online money, let's talk about content creation. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels are blowing up right now. You don't need a fancy camera, just your phone. Make content about something you love, whether it's gaming, fashion, fitness, or even funny skits. Once you start getting views, you can monetize with brand deals, affiliate links, and even YouTube's Shorts Fund. You don't need millions of followers, just an engaged audience. Speaking of affiliate marketing, this is a game changer. You don't need to own a product to make money. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Get a custom link for a product, share it on social media, and if someone buys it through your link, you get paid. Simple as that. Let's say you post a TikTok about a cool gadget and your link gets 1,000 clicks. Even if only 5% of people buy, that's easy money with zero inventory. Another way to get paid fast, selling old stuff. Go through your closet, attic, garage. There's probably stuff you don't even use anymore that someone else would buy. Clothes, old phones, gaming consoles, books. List them on eBay, Depop, or Facebook Marketplace and turn junk into cash. And if you really want to level up, start learning about investing. Even as a teen, you can invest in stocks, crypto, or even start a small business. It won't make you rich overnight, but if you start young, your money will grow over time. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Webull let you start with as little as $5. At the end of the day, the best way to make money fast is to take action. Pick one of these methods and go all in. Don't just watch this video and do nothing, actually try it. If you want more ways to make money, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Now, go get that bag.